Welcome to our video on top books for cybersecurity. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional, these books are essential for anyone looking to deepen their understanding of cybersecurity. Introduction to Secrets and Lies: Digital Security in a Networked World by Bruce Schneier. Author Introduction. Author Introduction. Bruce Schneier is an American cryptographer, computer security professional, privacy specialist, and writer. As of November 2013, he serves as an adjunct lecturer in public policy at the Harvard Kennedy School and a fellow at the Berkman Klein Center for Internet Society. Schneier's extensive background and expertise in cryptography and computer security make him a leading authority in the field of cybersecurity. Book Introduction. Secrets and Lies: Digital Security in a Networked World is an essential guide for anyone interested in cybersecurity or looking to transition from a technology-focused career to one in cybersecurity. This comprehensive book covers a wide range of topics crucial for understanding the complex landscape of digital security. Schneier begins by exploring the current landscape of cybersecurity, detailing the various types of attacks and the adversaries behind them. He emphasizes the importance of understanding security needs and how they vary across different contexts and threats. The book delves into the foundational technologies of cryptography and computer security, explaining their roles in protecting information and ensuring privacy. Identification and authentication are also thoroughly discussed, highlighting the methods used to verify identities in digital environments. A significant portion of the book is dedicated to network security, where Schneier discusses how to protect computer networks from attacks. He covers network defense strategies and the importance of developing a robust security policy. The author also addresses the vulnerabilities that can be exploited by attackers and the importance of threat modeling to anticipate and mitigate potential risks. In addition to technical strategies, Schneier discusses the broader security policies and processes that organizations must implement to maintain security. He offers a forward-looking perspective on the future of cybersecurity, considering the evolving nature of threats and the continuous advancement of technology. In summary, Secrets and Lies: Digital Security in a Networked World is a must-read for anyone passionate about cybersecurity. Whether you're a novice or an experienced professional, this book provides valuable insights and practical advice to navigate the ever-changing field of digital security. The Art of Invisibility. This book, written by the world's most famous hacker, Kevin Mitnick, is your practical guide to staying safe and anonymous in the digital age. Have you ever wondered how to be invisible online? In this book, Mitnick uses real-life stories, practical use cases, and step-by-step instructions to teach you how to perform actions without being visible to prying eyes. You'll learn everything from creating strong passwords to advanced techniques for achieving anonymity. As you read, you'll discover how to navigate the internet without leaving a trace. In today's world, every step you take online is tracked, stored, and potentially exploited by big companies and governments. Your identity can be stolen in an instant, and privacy has become a luxury that few understand. Mitnick's insights will show you how to protect yourself in a world where everyone is watching. By following his guidance, you can maintain your privacy and stay one step ahead of those who seek to exploit your personal information. This is the best practical book that reveals everything you need to know to guard your online presence. Get ready to learn, apply, and master the art of invisibility. Cyber War: The Next Threat to National Security and What to Do About It by Richard A. Clarke. This essential and eye-opening book explores the chilling reality of cyber terrorism and cyber war. Former presidential advisor and counter-terrorism expert Richard A. Clarke provides a timely warning about America's vulnerability in this new form of international conflict. Cyber war delves into the intersections of technology, government, and military strategy, revealing the activities of criminals, spies, soldiers, and hackers. Clarke explains in clear and convincing terms what cyber war is and highlights our nation's and individuals' susceptibility to cyber threats. With insights from the White House Situation Room and a first-hand view of the front lines of cyber defense, this book exposes a virulent threat to our national security. Every concerned person should read this startling and explosive account. The Pentester Blueprint Starting a Career as an Ethical Hacker, authored by Philip L. Wiley and Kim Crawley. This book serves as your comprehensive guide to becoming a penetration tester, also known as an ethical hacker or white hat hacker. Philip L. Wiley, an accomplished pen tester, and Kim Crawley, a cybersecurity researcher, bring you essential insights into the world of finding vulnerabilities in systems, networks, and applications. In this guide, you will explore the role of a penetration tester and understand what a pen test involves. Learn the prerequisite knowledge needed to embark on the journey to becoming a pen tester. Develop a personalized plan by assessing your current skills and identifying areas for growth. Discover effective strategies for gaining employment in the field through social media, networking, and community involvement. This book is perfect for workers, entry-level information security professionals, and anyone looking to transition into the dynamic and in-demand field of penetration testing. Thank you for watching our video on the top books for cybersecurity. If you have any questions or need further assistance, leave a comment below. Until next time, stay safe and ethical.